Hello everyone, myself Komal Ramrao Gutule from MSP Arts Science and KPT Commerce College Manora, Department of Physics. My project topic name is Heartbeat Monitoring System. I am student from the BSc 3rd year SEM 6. My project aim is a heartbeat monitoring system. Now the apparatus of transformer, full wave rectifier, buzzer, LM324, potentiometer, LED plus LDR used as sensor. LED circuit diagram project. Now see the circuit diagram of the heartbeat monitoring system. Now I explain the introduction of heartbeat monitoring system. A heart rate monitor is a personal monitoring device which allow to measure his or her heart rate in a real time or record the heart rate for leisure study. It is largely used to performer of various type of physical exercise, widely used in hospitals for checking the health of patients. Now working of the heartbeat monitoring system is transformer step down 220 volts to 909 volt. Full wave rectifier convert the AC into DC. 7805 voltage regulators regulates the voltage to 5 volts, which is the operating voltage of our microcontroller. LCD is interfaced with microcontroller. Now the LED and LDR sensor is used to count the pulses. It consists of a red LED and LDR. Now the application of the heartbeat monitoring system have become a widely used training aid for a variety of sports and the hospitals and dispensaries. Now the better and accurate method of measuring heartbeat at homes. A set point can help in determining whether a person is healthy or not, checking his or her heartbeat and comparing with a set point. Now the limitation of the heartbeat monitoring system is an inaccurate method of calculating heartbeat and logic used in very simple. Therefore, result may vary as for a sophisticated instrument for the same purpose. Now the future scope of the heartbeat monitoring system is EEG and ECG and other health parameters can also be monitored. And the continuous monitoring and future diagnosis can be performed the same system. Then the more than a single patient at different places can be monitored using single system. Thank you.